You've seen functions represented as equations involving x and y, such as y equals negative 3x plus 1. You can write this same equation as f of x, pay special attention here, f open parenthesis x close parenthesis replaces y. That's really the only difference between the way these two are written and look. F of x equals negative 3x plus 1. Notice also how I said f of x. I didn't say f times x. This isn't an example of multiplication. Often when we write values, variables, constants right next to parentheses, we are talking about multiplying. But this is a different way to write functions. Again, f of x. And that's an example of function notation. So f is called the function. We would say the function f. We can say that f is a function of x, or read it f of x, which is more common. X is the independent variable. And notice another thing that's unique about function notation is that the independent variable shows up on both the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the equation. Notice in the previous animation that f of x replaces y. It's read f of x. The letter f is the name of the function, not a variable. Function notation is used to emphasize that the function value f of x depends on the variable x. Other letters besides f can also be used. Common ones are g and h. Problem 3. Evaluating a function. A reading item, the function w of x equals 250x represents the number of words, w of x, you can read in x minutes. How many words can you read in 8 minutes? Well, we substitute 8 for x in the equation. So we get that w of 8, or the function w evaluated for the input 8, will equal 250 times 8. As we simplify, w of 8 equals 2,000. So you can read 2,000 words in 8 minutes. Your turn. Use the function in problem 3, which is w of x equals 250x. How many words can you read in 6 minutes?